So I'm replacing this door control module and ran into a little problem. Not really a problem, but with this new module that I got off of another S-Class, it came with heated seats and no cooled seats. So in order to get that swapped over to the option of having the cooled seats, you can pull this switch assembly out of the whole door control module. It's just held in with some pins. And then I take the other one, as you can see the difference. This is the one with the cooled seats since it has a fan, and this one is just strictly just heating, 2 different settings for the heating. This one has the heated on this side and then the cooled. So I'm gonna take this one and just basically retrofit this door control module, pop that in there. So now it should be good to go. We're gonna put this back in the car and then make sure all the seat functions work, and we should be good to go. All right, so we've got everything back and put together. We got the door control module in there with the new push buttons for the heated and the cooled seats. So I got the key in there now. Just gonna go through and make sure we got the cooled working. 2, 3 different settings for the cooled, and then 1, 2 different settings for the heated seats. We got the memory seats. And then last but not least, the power folding closing mirrors. So now that we have everything back on, everything's tested out, everything works good, so you can say that this is good to go now.